Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another wonderful weight loss video for you today. Now, this is a powerful weight loss video because I'm going to show you how to lose 40 pounds. Yes, I said 40 pounds in 1 month. And this is the biggest fat burning recipe for weight loss. Now, if you're struggling to get rid of that stomach, well, I have a recipe that's going to immediately start shrinking your stomach area. Now, this recipe will also help you with that stomach bloating. You will notice a huge difference in your stomach within a month. And this simple ingredient can be added into any weight loss tea, smoothie, or drink. And you can lose those extra pounds very fast. Now, let me show you what we're working with. You're going to be needing 1 lemon. Lemons remove fat in the blood because of the flavonoids they contain. Lemons naturally cleanse the body and eliminates the toxins and allows a better digestion of food due to the alkaline content, which generates an increased production of gastric juices and aids you so that you're not feeling hungry, and it also helps to prevent binge eating. You're also going to be needing some honey. You're also going to be needing some organic chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in protein, which aids in reducing your appetite and food intake. The protein content in these healthy seeds promote growth and development, building muscle mass, therefore reducing your body fat. Protein is the most effective macronutrient for weight loss that can also curb your appetite and your cravings. Chia seeds is also rich in fiber, which helps in good digestion and bowel regularity, as well as 1.5 cups of water. Now, what you're going to do to start is you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of your chia seeds into a little bowl. Now you're just going to pour some water over the seeds, just enough to cover it. And make sure all your seeds are immersed in the water. Then you're going to allow this to sit for at least half an hour to an hour. If you want to rush the process, you can add some hot boiling water and just allow it to sit for 10 minutes until the seeds swell. Once you immerse the seeds, cover them and allow it to steep for at least 10 minutes to an hour. And after an hour, you're going to notice that your chia seeds have thickened. Okay? Now, if you want to speed up the process, you can add boiling water over it, and within 10 minutes, you'll have your ingredients ready. So what we're going to do is we're also going to need a blender. If you got a small size blender cup, that's wonderful. And just going to add all of your chia seed content into your blender. Next, we're going to add in our 1.5 cups of water. And now we're just going to juice our lemons. Now you're going to add the juice directly to your blender cup. And lastly, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of honey. Now we're going to blend this up. And now you're just going to add that into your cup. And you got a wonderful, powerful weight loss drink. Look at that. Next, you're just going to pop your straw in and you're done. Now what you're going to do is you're going to drink this in the morning so that your metabolism will be boosted. You can also lose the fat effectively and quickly when you drink it in the morning. You can also drink this again at night if you choose to. But what this is going to do is going to get rid of that extra weight in your body. It's going to shrink you down, and you're going to really notice the difference really fast in your stomach area. All right, so if you're trying to flatten that stubborn belly and get rid of all of that stuff in there, drink this chai seed drink. It's like a smoothie-ish type of drink. It's delicious. Don't forget to also eat healthy, light meals. Drink your teas, your detox smoothies, and listen, you'll be ready in no time. Lose that 40 pounds of fat, of stuff in your stomach in only 1 month, okay? Alright y'all, so thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. I'm telling you, this is a powerful way to lose that weight fast. Also, look in the Amazon affiliate links for the personal size as well as the full size blenders and these wonderful metal straws and more, okay? Also check in my eBay store where you're going to get wonderful and powerful herbs for boosting your metabolism, for losing weight, and those wonderful detox tonics. Oh my goodness, they are so powerful, you guys. You got to check it out. So visit the eBay store link down below this video, and you're going to be able to have access to all of the powerful tonics as well as these herbal honeys. Okay, these herbal honeys that does your body wonderful. Also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skin care, beauty care, fashion hauls, and more. Alright, so y'all, until the next video, I will see you then. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.